How to calibrate Senva's TGR recessed dual toxic gas sensor. Make sure to calibrate in a well-ventilated space and to wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Also, you'll need to connect your TGR to a power source and make sure it is powered on. To access calibration mode, lightly hold down both the left and right capacitive touch button zones for 5 seconds. The buzzer will sound and the LED will blink green once every 2 seconds to indicate successful entry into calibration mode. Time to choose your sensor. Hold down the left capacitive touch zone for sensor 1 or the right zone for sensor 2 for 5 seconds. The buzzer will sound and the LED will blink orange, once for sensor 1 or twice for sensor 2, every 2 seconds. First, we need to apply a baseline calibration. To do this, you need to make sure the sensor is in a stable environment, without gas for at least 15 minutes. Hold down the left touch zone for 5 seconds to activate baseline calibration. The buzzer will sound and the LED will blink 3 times to indicate the status of the request. Red LED if failed, green LED if succeeded. Next, apply span calibration. Verify the correct gas is being used according to the table in the manual. Apply the gas until the output stabilizes. This should take 60 to 90 seconds. Hold down the right touch zone for 5 seconds to activate span calibration. The buzzer will sound and the LED will blink 3 times to indicate the status of the request. Red LED equals failed, green LED equals succeeded. If verifying with 0 to 10 volts, the div switches should be in the up position. Now, to verify the concentration matches the reference gas concentration, connect to the 0 to 10 volt output pins and measure the output voltage in DC. The full scale of 0 to 10 volt represents 200 parts per million. So if your reference gas is 100 parts per million, you should measure a value of 5 volts. If calibration is incorrect, repeat the first 2 steps. Then hold down both left and right buttons for 10 seconds to reset to factory calibration. The buzzer will sound and the LED will blink 3 times to indicate the status of the request, with red LED if failed and green LED if succeeded. Be sure to document the calibration date, gas concentration used, and any observations or deviations in a maintenance log for future reference and compliance. If issues arise, consult the diagnostics menu to view any errors or warnings, and contact support if calibration issues persist.